Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Hikai University, Meghalaya.
Like this. This is okay. No, little down. Yeah. Just touching the eyebrows.
Ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch kala pelong ya ka First Aid Training Program ka ba ars ni kata ha ka arpesan bat ka arpen riu trek ujileu arja pen riu ha State Headquarters ka badan ha Howell Road Laban ki noi shimenta ha kini jing aji kai ki kan thopi ki noi kai ki tour guide bat ya ki noi kai jingi
Energy, you can save your energy and you can give more secure.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.